All right, chat. I'm waiting for the setup. All right, chat. I'm looking too short. This looks like to be a expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion. I'm entering a threshold. I cannot enter the bottom out of the model one because it's too small. It's too fat, chat. Bro, thresholds where we're entering. If it doesn't give it the threshold, it is what it is. You know what I mean? But yeah. Yo, bro, what's good? What's good? I'm with Trader. What's good? What's good? Market may not tap. Market might not tap the threshold, but body is way too fast. So if it doesn't give it the threshold entry, it is what it is. Then there could be no trade up for the day because the threshold is what we're looking to enter the trade out of. And we're going on a 9 RR here. For the body is a 4.7 RR. So it's too fat. We're going to get threshold. If it doesn't tap the threshold, it is what it is. Can't do nothing about it. Chat, you guys can enter out of this if you don't want to mention setup, but I'll mention already out of threshold. Body is only 9 pips though. Ah. 10.3 pips here. I mean, we could put it our stop loss right on the, you know, the body here, right? Body to body, because wick does the damage, body does the story. But it looks like, you know, my rule says if the body is too fat, I gotta enter the threshold, right? It can retrace, but hey, you guys could take it over here. I'm gonna take it right over here. So right, it doesn't even have to tap it. Just get right near it, and we're shorting that shit down to the low. But you guys can enter right over here. I'm looking to enter right on this. Let's hope it gets tapped. If it doesn't get tapped, it is what it is, right? You could definitely push down instantly, but yeah, Chop Fest, low key, man. I'm gonna lie. So I'm waiting for this bad bitch to hit my entry point here. I mean, it does kind of make sense here. Like you can see, there's a weak ass here. The weakness could be a little filled here. Let's see if we can add another SMT here. Yeah, this is a signal real quick. This right here follows all my rules. So this goes on a loss. Beautiful loss. We have no OT here. We only have a 4-hour OT. We don't have no 15-minute OT here, so we're good. So let's see if we can tap it. Once it taps it, we're in that shit. So 5.8 stop loss. Oh shit! It okay. So there's no SMT here. Oh shit! I thought there was SMT. 7 a.m. went above the 8 a.m. 6 a.m. high. Damn. Damn it. Damn it, bro. Hey, if it taps it, we're in. If it doesn't tap it, it is what it is, chat. I feel like if it goes up here, it's definitely gonna have SMT again with GU. The XY looks ready to cook. Hell yeah. Oh shit, my glasses. My glasses. Bro, watch out. Without the glasses, my eyes hurt, bro. I'm not trying to lose this shit again. No, this is a different one. But that cannot happen again, chat. Hell no. chat. I had a dark shit under my eyes for such a long time yesterday, bro. Holy. It's crazy how you can look in the chart without the glasses, bro. Come on. Are you gonna tap our entry or not? Yeah, G was pushing, which is we want. Yeah, we're fried. We're fried. We can't get in a trade. We're fried. Come on, at least we need to know that something. I mean, if we're gonna enter out of this, we have to be like, we could use our body. So, guys, you guys know, body tells a story, which does the damage. We can enter out of there and put our stop loss right above the body of this other candle, which is gonna be riskier, way riskier. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. That's not proven to work in my system, so I don't know about that. I want to wait until I get more guard reaction. If this setup doesn't offer us, we can definitely get one at 1:30 p.m. 1:30 should definitely offer us a setup here. Oh yeah, there's an SMT here, so the SMT has to go above this high. What is this song, bro? What is this song? Yeah. Shake it. Shake it. Yo, what? What are they talking about? Okay, we got SMT here. Come on, bro. You gotta tap it at least, bro. Tap it at least. All right. I get it. I get it. Now you want to tap it. Okay, you want to tap it. You want to tap it. You want to clap it. Whoa. So we're going for a 9.6 RR. So if this taps it, we're in that shit. Never mind. We're not in. Alright, we got another SMT here. Holy shit. It's a bunch of SMTs, man. I can't take it anymore with this bitch. Crazy. Cray. I mean, we could use this as a range as well. We could use this SMT that we have right here, the 7 a.m. with the 8 a.m. 8 a.m. 7 a.m. We got SMT, so that 7 a.m. high got purged, right? By the 8 a.m. candle, while this one, the 7 a.m. candle, didn't get purged. So we can have SMT. We could either use that or use a threshold. Let's just say per se we missed that setup, and we can you can use this as an entry, or we can use this, right? So with this for the downside. Now on this, our Since we have SMT here, our next take profit is going to be here. So break even here, take profit all the way down here as well. So same thing here, but probably wondering, well, what this is the range we're entering out of. But we're in a bigger range than our hourly CRT, so we're going to use this as our main range. But as you said, SMT to get into the trade, just as SMT to get into the trade if the market doesn't offer there, right? So we're then eventually going for the same amount of gold here. Yeah, same amount of RR here, just a little riskier because, you know, not entering or our stop loss not at the as what the fuck is called at the soup. But let's see. Since we got two SMT here, we could either take this one or this one. In this case, we're gonna take the wick. Chat. We could do either, right? You want to get tapped, we have to use this. Okay, so our stop loss is going to be what? 5.2 pips. The stop loss is 5.8. Alright, so it's NTP. And keep in mind, about wondering, well, this is the range you're entering out of. No, we're using this 7 a.m. as a range. So why is your take profit not here as a break-even spot? Because we have a different range in the hourly time frame. So just using this range to get into this range. For the entry here, right? Because we didn't tap it, right? Yes, we do have a setup, but the setup, our range is supposed to be here. We already have the amount one that got tapped. The amount one that's, you know, it's too fat, right? So that's why. And on this can right over here, just using this range to using this range, so we can do this as a break even and take profit one over here. So why are we using this as a break even and not a take profit? Because we have a 4-hour range here, right? All right, 5.2. This is all we're looking at, like, you know. Yeah, baby. All right, buddy. All right, buddy. You're going a little too far down. Okay, so our SMT looks like to be this then, huh? This is our number one right over here. All right, so where's our initial take profit? Our initial take profit is right here, still down here because we have a 4-hour range here, right? It's as well as 50 low as well as 4-hour range. That's our initial take profit. Now the stop loss is 6.2. So since we have a 6.2 pip stop loss, we have that much. Okay, risking that much. We have SMT here with 7 a.m., 8 a.m., right? So that's what we're looking to take a trade out of. This is gonna offer this as well. If he offers this, we're gonna take a threshold. So we can't take it out nothing but a threshold if it offers this right over here. If it doesn't offer that, we're gonna take the normal. If it offers this, we're gonna take the threshold of this CRT model 1. I'm ready to execute this shit. I'm ready. 6.2, 6.2. Okay, we got the right amount. All right, never mind. All right, we got this is our entry here. Let's see. Once it taps our min. We got another SMT here, another CRT SMT. All right, I'm in that trade. so stop loss is gonna be as 30, 35. Yeah, market is doing a big push to the upside here. Okay, 1.13. So 1.13, 1.11. So 1.13, 0.80. So 1.13, 0.80. Okay, we got it. All right, stop loss is over here. Okay, stop loss. We have a. Okay, got the right stop loss. We got our take profit. Okay, we're going for a what? 7.3 RR. And this is a what? And we're going for a 7.3 RR here as well. Okay, so if this hits take profit, we should pass the account easily. But if it doesn't hit take profit, good loss. But we had two type of entry. Either we could do this or we could do this other entry here over here. So yeah. So break even. We're still entering out of this range. Keep in mind, we're still using this range as our entry. We're selling above the opening price, as well as this is gonna be our break even and take profit one. So yeah, keep that in mind, chat. And yeah, let's see how this goes. It can go on a loss. It is what it is if it goes on a loss. Entry is at 39 here. So our entry here is 35. Our entry here is 39. So our entry is at 35, 39. All right, so right over there. See his stop loss, his stop loss. It is what it is. Gio is tweaking out in his shit. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Gio is kind of tweaking out. Let's see if Gio can stop a little bit, push down. If Gio push down like to right to this low, it's gonna start exploding here. But let's see. The cock block here, man. I ain't gonna lie. Hello, bro. What's good, my boy? CRT. Hey, we are trying the same concept, man. We're trying the same concept. Same concept. Get me? Come. I'm gonna come on your face. Yeah, we're probably gonna get cooked here. If this goes on loss, it makes very sense because this is supposed to be our initial entry. So it does make sense. We're cooked. Yep. Cooked. Oh, yeah. Bro, G was pushing up without waiting here, bro. What are you doing, G? You cuz? G's all the way going to the high? Cuzzo. Calm down, Cuzzo. I told you, blood. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I think this is supposed to be our entry, but this goes on a loss. It is what it is, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But we're gonna lose. We're gonna lose way less, so it doesn't matter, man. But I feel like this should be our initial entry. This is our initial entry, so this is probably gonna lose. But this is my first time experiencing this happening, where market gives 2 entry back to back. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. I think this is our first. This should be our first entry, so this should be our initial entry here. But yeah, let's see. We have a expansion retracement. We have an expansion possibly here. Let's see the initial entry get cooked. Let's see the initial entry get cooked. Bro, for real, bro. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. This is low-key good though, cause I'm still gonna trade in a couple weeks, in 2 weeks. Yesterday trade, bro, doesn't count, dog. That trade, bro. I didn't even take it on my main account, so yeah. Let's see. We have no bottom wick here. We have no wick on the hourly time frame. Let's see. Let me send something in the chat for you. Let me see. Let me see that. Hey, come on, man. You can't do this to me, man. You can't do this to me. You can't do this to me, no more. Oh, come on. What are you doing, Gio? Push it down. Oh, you said the right one. You said the right one. You said the right one. Okay. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I got it. This is the right one. That's the right one, bro. Let's go back to my channel. We want profits only. It is what it is. Please, man, please. But this candle closes bearish, we could definitely have an expansion here. So we have expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement. If this candle closes bearish, you should get a different expansion candle, because the retracement could end to all over here. But this candle can close bearish. It could be a very beautiful sign that the market wants to go lower. But only if this candle wants to close bearish. Otherwise, no. But we're good. Trust. Wait. I think we could have had a rejection block entry here, right? Nah, there's gonna be no entry rejection block here. I think it looks like to be a rejection block there. You could have entered out of, but to me it doesn't look like it. Yeah. It's alright. So it's mixture of both, whatever you want to do. But this is offers enough RR here. Expansion, retracement Tokyo, retracement New York, expansion. Put in the rejection, entry percent wick. Holy, bro, I ain't do that shit. Oh, come on, G, you push harder, bro. What the fuck is EU doing, bro? Push harder, EU. So we had a expansion, retracement, expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion. This bearish candle closed bearish, which is a very good sign to me. Because now our stop loss is right on the retracement. Fantastic. Now it's either TP or stop loss. And we only have one TP, chat. We only have one TP. This take profit right over here is a break even. This take profit right over here is a take profit, right? Break even, TP. So only have one TP. We could get out of the trade right. We could literally get out of the market right now. Let the market ride. I'm not taking no more trade in this. Like, even if, let's just say my analysis on this was wrong, or I'm supposed to be entering out of here, I'm not gonna take that shit. Just one trade a day keeps the emotions away. Damn, then he won 3 titles back. Keep the emotions away. Hell yeah. Keeps the bitches away, cuz. Yeah, I'm kind of hungry. I ain't gonna lie, chat. What the fuck am I watching here? Damn, 2 concurrent viewers, cuz? What the fuck? It's lit. It's lit. Hey, we're cooked, bro. We're cooked. Trust. Feel it. Alright, there's gonna be a loss. I think this is already supposed to be an initial entry, so let's see, man. Yeah, the SNT doesn't match this. Alright, yeah, it's gonna be a loss here. Something you should is you should have moved more. Wait, something is you should have moved more. What do you mean by that? With more stop loss? Like a longer, wider stop loss? Nah, that's gonna be that stop loss where the market tells me to. I don't know if I'm still alive. Am I still alive? I think spread got me out. We are still alive, motherfucker. We are still alive. Somewhat alive, but not for too long though. The thing is wrong. You should have more viewers. Oh yeah, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think I said some racist shit. I ain't gonna lie. So YouTube shadow banned me. So for a couple of days, it's gonna be like that. It's gonna be like that. It's gonna be like that. Yeah, so this trade should definitely go on a loss. I know the reason why you're going to loss. So we could definitely got a lesson out of this trade. I definitely got a lesson out of this trade. So because our initial trade is supposed to be here, and as you guys know, we're supposed to have one trade a day. Our initial trade is supposed to be here, so it's our we can't have a secondary trade here, right? So either the initial trade or no trade. But yeah, I know we lost here. Which is fantastic. All right, I think DXY is not gonna soup out the low. It's gonna have SMT with DXY low. All right, makes sense. Yeah, it's a good loss. Yeah, it's gonna go on a loss here. So, hmm. Let's see. This is my first time encountering like this type of setup, so it does definitely make sense for us to go on a loss. But I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna if I'm gonna take a loss, I'm gonna take a loss all the way. If I'm gonna take a win, I wanna take a win all the way. You know what I'm saying? Why are you lagging? Am I lagging, bro? It's your Wi-Fi, bro. It's not my fucking Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi looking good. My Wi-Fi looking fantastic, bro. Hey, I got the right KBS here. All right, you got you soup out the high of the thing. You have another SMT here, so let's see if the SMT will prevent the soup. We are cooked, brother. We are cooked. You guys just called me Chigga. What the fuck is wrong with this guy? Oh wait, bro, just call me a Chigga, bro. Stay hard, Chigga. Holy, bro, what? Some people think I'm Mexican. Some people think I'm Mexican. Some people say I'm Mexican. Some people say I'm a Chigga. Chigga nigga. What? Holy. Yeah, how far are you gonna go all before reversing, buddy? SMT is still holding. It's insane here, brother. Like, might as well just long short GU every single day, bro. You're gonna make money regardless. But yeah, it should go on definitely in a loss, chat. It should definitely go on a loss here. Let's see. Chop Fest. Yeah, that Chop Fest gonna stop us out when he doesn't do Chop Fest, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, chat, those who are like, I'm not gonna take any more trade in this, but other ones you should be entering out of this right over here. The threshold, we go taps it, enter out of that. Otherwise, no, because some people can even enter out of here, but stop us here, right? Yeah. But yes, I like that. Yeah, another loss, man. Kind of crazy. Gotta go accept the loss, go to the chart, go to the gym, see how I lost. I mean, I know the reason I lost because initial entry is supposed to be there. So yeah. All right, marketplace some psychology on us here, bro. Well, we survived. I don't even want problems anymore. Just hit us break even. Wait, what is it called? What was the name called? Just come to my entry. Just come back to my entry. I don't even want profit anymore. Just come back to my entry. I don't even want profit. Oh. Let's see. I'm gonna take it for taking time for 5 minutes. Too much messy there. Yeah, Chad. Where are stop the fuck out? All right, it hit stop loss here. So this is gonna be the initial entry here. This should have been the initial entry here, so it makes sense. Man, there should be a split stream. What do you mean by that? What a split stream? Damn. Get my ass cooked up in a bit. I can join with my screen too. Oh yeah, you can. Yeah, they won't do that shit around here, man. And we are cooked. So yeah, the lesson of this trade is our next entry is supposed to be here, so it definitely makes sense for this to happen. Bonjour, les guys. What's up? Bonjour, bonjour. Good morning, my boy. Good morning, bonjour, brother. So yeah, why did this not work out, chat? Simply because of the entry is supposed to be here, so that's why. Kind of fried it a little bit, ain't gonna lie. Got fried. It got fried. My boy Frenchy nigga is space in space. Oh nigga, how you doing? Holy. Chat, I'll come back at this later today. Today right now, I gotta go and hit to the gym and eventually come back later from here. But yeah, chat, I'm done. I ain't taking no more trades. I mean, this if this setup gets met, cool, you can hit take profit. But I think 135 at 130 is gonna come back to the chart and look for another setup, possibly to the upside or downside, because we can take that 15-minute macro here. But yeah, right now we're done. I ain't taking no more setups. I'll see you guys later. Peace.